to welcome on stage the lethal man in front of goal. Everybody say, Luis! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, should we call the main man up? Should we do that? All right, all right, all right. Presenting to you, Mumbai, India, the greatest of all time, Leo! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, these are champions who represent greatness through humility, perseverance, and unmatched brilliance. Well, I request the players to quickly, please pose for some photographs. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is an absolute pleasure for me to welcome on stage our Honorable Chief Minister, Devendra Fadnavis ji. Along with him, joining on stage, Mrs. Fadnavis ji. And joining them on stage is Praveen Pardeshi ji. Put your hands together, everybody, as the leaders make their way up on stage. Please also welcome Shri Praful Patel ji. These are the ladies and gentlemen. The boys and girls who are here posing for this unforgettable picture, ladies and gentlemen. Chayan Mondal, Sangram Devkar, Karan Bhudkar, Aryan Pawar, and Shashank Kamble. And the girls, Suhana Mandal, Purvi Sawant, Shravani Sawant, Aarti Nashankar, and Divya Gaikwad. Let's congratulate them with a big round of applause, everybody. Boys and girls, it's now time to welcome on stage a true legend of Indian football, a man who has carried the Indian flag with pride on the global stage. Please join me in greeting our very own icon. When I say Sunil, what do you say? Sunil! Sunil! Along with Sunil Chetri, we have the Bengaluru FC squad. Rahul Bege, Chinglasana Singh, Nikhil Pujari, and Bala Devi. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Sunil and the BFC team, it's time for you to line up for a nice picture. I request everybody to look at the cameras and big, big smiles. The goat is in town along with his friends. Thank you. Thank you. Sunil and BFC team, thank you so much for joining us today. We're honored to have you over here. And may I request you to kindly take your seats while I want Leo Suarez and Rodrigo and our Honorable CM to be on stage. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the most voted moment of the night. The GOAT of Indian football, the GOAT of world football, together in one frame. What more could you have asked for? We now move into our felicitation ceremony, honoring the exceptional individuals of the evening. It is our privilege to invite a leader whose vision and commitment continue to shape the progress of the state of Maharashtra. Please join me in welcoming Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji, whose presence this evening reflects the state's highest respect for sporting excellence and global achievement. Sir, I would request you to please felicitate the GOAT of world football, Leo Messi. Now, sir, to him first, Luis Suarez. And the anchor we call Rodrigo De Paul. And also request our Honorable Chief Minister to please present this memento to the GOAT, Leo Messi. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is an absolute picture-perfect moment. What a moment to witness, truly special. And now, let's have a warm round of applause as we invite Mrs. Sangeeta Jindal and Mr. Parth Jindal of the JSW Foundation to kindly join us on stage. We're honored to have you here with us today, sir. And ma'am, as we move ahead, it's time to introduce an initiative being launched here today. Please put your hands together, Wankhede Stadium. Mrs. Sangeeta Jindal, Mr. Parth Jindal of the JSW Foundation making their way up on stage. hold on. Before we move ahead, I think it is time for us to welcome the youth icon, and he is here to do something very, very special. Please welcome Tiger Shroff! Now comes to a moment of honor and recognition for this wonderful project, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome on stage Tiger Shroff, India's youngest action star and a symbol of discipline, fitness and relentless hard work. For thousands of young kids watching today, he represents what dedication can achieve when talent meets effort. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, he is the face of Project Mahadeva. He is Tiger Shroff and he is in the house. I'll quickly run everybody through because Project Mahadeva is something which is very, very special, sir. And I feel that everybody over here and watching us today should know about it. Project Mahadeva is a statewide grassroots football development initiative launched by the government of Maharashtra, aimed at identifying and nurturing talented boys and girls under the age of 13. The program provides comprehensive long-term support to develop future football stars for the state, including rural areas. And who better to be the face of it than somebody who loves the game? Like, he's just playing it around. I know in his head, I know you want to dribble it through over here. Tiger Shroff, ladies and gentlemen. And here comes Project Mahadeva. All right, sir. I will give you a countdown. Let's go. We want everybody to join in. Project Mahadeva is going to go live when I give the countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
तिकडे फोरेनरला सर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी भेटतं 5 इयर्ससाठी स्कॉलरशिप भेटते आणि इंडियाला खेळायचा चान्स भेटतं.
The Mahadeva project, it's a really nice project for all the girls from all over Maharashtra, showcasing their talents.
और जो 30 जन जो सिलेक्ट होंगे उन लोग को 5 साल का मतलब रेसिडेंशियल है. मतलब अभी पहले ये कैंप नहीं था तो इंडियन फुटबॉल मतलब महाराष्ट्र का फुटबॉल पहले बहुत लो था. ये कैंप आने के बाद शायद से महाराष्ट्र का फुटबॉल आगे जा सकता है.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Project Mahadeva now live, but I'll take this opportunity to please welcome on stage Mr. Ajay Devgan, an actor whose work has consistently reflected strength, discipline and purpose. Through his film Maidan, he brought to life the story of Indian football's golden era. A reminder of what belief, teamwork and perseverance can achieve on the field. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Singham is in the house! I would now request our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly do the honors and felicitate Tiger Shroff and Ajay Devgan. And we request Mrs. Fernandez to also please join us on stage. All right, and I now request Mrs. Fadnavis to please felicitate Mrs. Jindal. Thank you very, very much. All right, and I now request Mrs. Fadnavis to please felicitate Mrs. Jindal. Thank you very, very much. And now,
निकितानी मेहंदीच्या फंक्शनचं सगळं प्लॅन केलं.
मी एकटी मेहंदी काढणार.
which helps countless children under the age of 13. And I request Leo, Luis, and Rodrigo to please join in for a photo op. Thank you, Tiger. Thank you, Ajay sir. Thank you, Sangeeta ji and Parth. Thank you very much. I would request the Honorable Chief Minister to please stay on stage along with our three players. All right. You know what? This is Wankhede Stadium. The GOAT is here. The GOAT is also here. But it is now my privilege, my honor to move on to the next segment. Ladies and gentlemen, we move into the next segment, and this time you are going to witness history. Two legends, two sports, two nations, one shared value of excellence. The football GOAT is here. It is now time to call on stage the GOAT of cricket, the one, the only, Sachin!
एबीपी माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.